the Leatherman Style CS. I went to go buy one of these at Target. They have these for a pretty good price, and I'm heading out of town, so I can't wait for one of these to get shipped from an online place. So I bought it at Target. I want to do just a opening on camera here, and actually while I was there, I got a Victorinox Huntsman with a pouch on sale there at Target for, how much was this? $22. Pretty sweet deal. 15 tools. I'll open that in a separate video. I'll open this one first. Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna need a knife for this. Well, okay. Maybe I will. This will be the baby I'm going to use to open this today. Fortuitous knife usage on camera. Okay, let's see. Is that enough? Yeah. Oh, there it goes. Okay, not much to it. It's nice packaging. There it is. Leatherman Style CS. Has the scissors. Has, let's see. Here's the close position. Very small and compact. I wanted a small multi-tool that had more features than the Victorinox Classic, so I thought I'd get this. Here's the knife, and what else do I got? These things come out? Do they? Should. No, what are they? Let me see. Oh yeah, other side. File. Right here, the tip is a flat head, or could be used as a Phillips screwdriver in a pinch, and that's it. Two functions there, and this is a 420HC stainless blade. Let's see how sharp it is. Pretty sharp. Only ground on one side, not ground on this side. Carabiner with bottle opener. I don't know what some of this stuff does. Does this come out? Oh yeah, this is a tweezers. So this will be sort of one step up from a Victorinox Classic, because on top of the knife, tweezers, file, and the Victorinox has a toothpick. This one doesn't. This one has the bottle opener and scissors, which is a big improvement when it comes to functionality. It's pretty sweet. Pretty smooth. It's spring assisted opening, so comes right back open with every cut. Let's try cutting it. Nice and sharp. See if it'll cut plastic. Yep, like butter. There we go. Finally got myself a Leatherman Style CS. Thanks for watching.